Hey everybody, how we doing today?
Hey guys.
Man, it is like 30 degrees outside and my head's soaking wet. We just got done cleaning the garage out here in Powell. On our way, take it to the dump. What do you think, Paul? Pretty cold outside?
It's freezing.
It's rough. It's rough. Look, I just want to let you guys know that next week is already filling up, just like I said that it would. If you need to have some stuff picked up, we will be on the road on Saturday. We're not going to be out here tomorrow, but we will be on the road Saturday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. But that's it. So, well, I mean, till after the holiday, you know. But like I said, it's filling up. You can either book online or give me a call. I don't know. Anything else I'm forgetting?
Nope, sounds about right.
Alright, and if I don't talk to you, happy Thanksgiving. And as always, go Bucks. We'll see y'all later.